Hi guys! Look at that. I'm cooking banana Q. This is famous in Philippines for snacking or merienda in Tagalog. I'm craving for it, so I'm cooking right now. This is Indian banana because we don't have saba here in Dubai. It's Indian banana with brown sugar, the raw sugar. You cook it for around 10 minutes and it's done. I'll show you later the finished product, okay? There you go. This is the banana Q. Let's see it. It looks very yummy. Let's go, let's go. Let's eat now. Okay.
Hi mga kapitbahay, kain na tayo ng banana Q. Wow, sarap. Kakaiba. Kain tayo.